Okay, so I have a residential air handler or indoor unit, as you could see here. Residential indoor. So I'm going to show you a tip and trick. Here's a tag. So I got a tip and trick for you. So if you want to inspect the coil. The coil is back here. The coil is behind here. So if you are going to remove this cover, then there's a plate in between that covering the A-frame coil. But I'm gonna show you a trick how you can easily view the coil. Stay tuned. And you're gonna want to view the coil while you're doing your maintenance. So I'm gonna remove this filter access panel right here. Pull the latch down. Pull this one here up. So that's where the filter is supposed to go. But in this case, the filter is not in there. But typically, that's where the filter is. So then we're going to inspect the coil, right? Okay, that should be a part of your maintenance. And this is what you're going to do it very, 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 very easy. Tip and trick. Subscribe. That's simple. That's simple. So I'm going to show you the alternative though. Right? I'm going to show you the alternative. Stay tuned. So I'm going to show you the alternative look like. I'm going to have to open this cover. It's a little bit dark up here, but you know, you guys could see what's going on. Remove all these screws. Remove all these screws right here. That's the alternative. So that's the alternative. Is rather difficult. Not really difficult, but you know, you can see what's going on here. It's way more easier to do the first step, to know what's going on. So just to do all this just to look, it's kind of crazy. Okay. All right, so now all the screws are out. Yeah, got my Nebo light right here. Nebo flashlight. It's rather dark up here. Put it back here. Okay, so yeah, typically the filter is back here, but you know, in this case it's not. It's behind this plenum right here. In here. Like so. And so let's pull this off. See? So there it is. So you gotta, in order to see inside of the A-frame, you're gonna have to like open this cover, take all those screws out. Then you gotta remove this screw. Another one down there. And there's like two up here. One there, one there. It's a lot of work. I mean, it's not really a lot, but it's a pain just to see the coil, just to view the coil, right? So you are very welcome. It's a pretty good one. This is aluminum headers. No rust. It's a pretty good unit. What's this? Is it a carrier? Yeah, it's a carrier. Yeah, it's got to be a carrier. It's carrier color. Yeah, pretty good stuff. It's quality. All right, so I'm gonna close this video up. That's what this video was about. Just want to show you guys that tip and trick. That's what we do. D2D. Real world HVAC simplified. So you know, summertime we're doing maintenance. And the reason why I want to view that coil, because this thing keeps leaking water down here, man. You know, like I don't know what's going on. So I'm figuring my coil may be dirty. But look at the drain. The drain here is pretty clean. There's not much crap in there. Unless, that's it, I'm out of here.